Go ahead, Mike.
Coach, what are you most proud of that game?
I thought the competitive spirit, connectivity, and execution were great. Pretty good with the game plan, but more importantly, just our spirit, the fight was there. So guys rose to the occasion, and we got a second win in a row, and see if we can keep them. Yeah, I think it's great for our confidence. We've had such a rough stretch here with injuries, and trying to put this thing together, build some cohesion and understanding. It's nice to have 2 games in a row where you play well, the ball goes in the basket, it brings everyone together a little bit, puts belief and confidence in what we're trying to do.
And, when you see Kyrie engage the way he was, particularly defensively, and saying, I don't want to switch, I want to arm. I mean, what kind of energy is that to give to the team?
Yeah, it was great. I thought Kyrie's commitment defensively was great. All around game. Thought everyone really played with energy tonight defensively. And kind of, led us down there as well. So he was great. Whenever he locks in defensively, he can be very disruptive. That's the facet of his game that doesn't get talked about. He's do some really good things down there at that end of the floor as well.
Coach, you had to think Ben handled it.
Who?
Ben.
Oh, look good to me. Looks good to be here. I didn't have to talk to him about it, but I think he was happy to get it out of the way.
Did you think the way the guys responded to the fact that he couldn't be out there playing himself?
I don't think so. I think they were just focused on the game.
Coach, both Joel and James were minus 30 tonight. I think Joel shot 5 of 17, but most of them had 27. Most of the game was the foul line. James shot 3 of 17. Just what was the mentality going in defensively? How did you towards the that night?
Just compete. We have a game plan, obviously, but just to compete. You can talk about all the technical stuff, but I keep saying, if you don't put the energy and desire and belief in to your schemes are worthless. So, the guys stuck to the game plan, but most importantly, the competitive spirit, the connectivity, and the ability to play on a string and play together was on display defensively.
Coach, do you remember
Yeah, it's always difficult game in some respects. It can also be an exciting game, but it can be difficult going back somewhere where you've left. The emotions of your time spent there, the people, the faces, the relationships that you build there, it can make it a strange feeling, unlike all the rest of the game. So it is different, and that's kind of the nature of being traded in.
what specifically did was
Probably going back to Dallas, just after 6 good years there, being a part of building that team's kind of success in the future, and then going to Phoenix, coming back there, and both being 2 teams at the top of the West was definitely a unique experience as well. Yeah, I thought he was aggressive. He's got a high IQ and skill level. I thought he was really aggressive tonight, made shots, made plays, but you could tell that he was really up for the game and up for the environment and the night of returning to his old team.
James really struggled tonight. What were you guys able to do?
Well, I think we just were diligent with the game plan, trying to keep off the foul line and make sure that we show support. And, don't let it get to the rim.
You guys are really physical when you came out in the first quarter. Can you talk about what Andre Drummond has brought to you in terms of that physicality here, especially matching up against a guy like Joel?
Yeah, he's brought size and athleticism. He's got great feet. We disrupted with his hands as well. So giving us the combination of size, athleticism, mobility, and a natural rebounder. It's really, really added to our team. question. Follow up again. Still with the team, look at the skill set, look at the sort of background. See any most beneficial. Both. I think Ben's going to play many roles for us. He can push and transition and create. He can facilitate offense as the point guard. He can also be a screener, roller, for us to play make out of the role. So I think Ben is special because of all the different things he does on the floor, from defending, rebounding, facilitating, and scoring. So I want him to play in a lot of different ways and be a problem for other teams in multiple facets of the game.
You spent a lot of time before the trade this year, arguing on James' behalf with the refs and what kind of take with me. How much of that knowledge became into the game? Which couldn't came to come off the line.
Not really. I mean, I think we just, try not to foul. And that goes for our defense, period. We want to play without fouling. I think it's super important when you're playing against James. He's so crafty at drawing fouls that it's really important to not get cheap ones. But that, it's hyper focused with a player like that, but that's our philosophy in general. And so we did a good job of trying not to foul in many scenarios and still put them on the line, especially in the first half, a million times. So, that's a challenge, but I thought overall it was pretty good. There was a lot of scenarios where we could have fouled and we didn't. And so that was a step for us.